Resilient floor covering systems. Grassroots. Interfacial agent. Self-lay veiling. Adhesive. Resilient flooring. Grassroots testing. Moisture content 4. Engraving instrument, surface hardness 1 to MPa. Flatness within 2 meters. Height drop less than 4 millimeters. 2 meters ruler. Interfacer construction. Ground floor grinding. Substrate cleaning to remove floaters and debris. Clean with a hoover. According to the absorbability of the ground on site. Appropriate amount of water dilution. Apply interface paint. Use a medium or long bristle roller and roll crosswise to ensure that there is no accumulation of liquid and no leakage of paint. Self-lay veiling can be carried out after the interface agent has dried and formed a film. Self-lay veiling construction. Drip detection. Mixing and stirring self-lay veiling. Ratio of self-lay veiling cement to water. Please refer to the product manual for details. Mixing time not less than 2 minutes. Dumping self-lay veiling. After falling to the ground, cement can flow along the ground, but not completely level. Crews need to push the concrete out of the way. Lay veiling with tools. Rolling self-lay veiling with defoaming rollers, removing air bubbles and aiding lay veiling. Depending on site temperature and humidity and ventilation. Self-lay veiling thoroughly drying and curing. Pre-laying of PVC flooring. Unpacking and pre-laying the PVC flooring on the floor. Memorability of raw materials. Elimination of deformation caused by storage and transport. Pre-laying time of not less than 24 hours. Sanding with 60-80 grit paper abrasive discs. Vacuum cleaner cleans self-leveling surfaces. Alignment of projectile lines. Clean surfaces. Apply adhesive and paste. Fold up one end of the PVC flooring. Clean the self-lay veiling surface and then apply adhesive. Pulling sensation when touching the glue by hand. Remove air bubbles with a cork board. Roll compacted floor. Trim. Cut 1/3 cm from the edge. Use a dedicated blade for aligning. Use a seam cutter for cutting. Slotting after glue curing. Depth of 2/3 of the floor. Adjust the torch temperature according to the type of flooring. Welding operation after preheating. Primary shoveling as soon as the wire is welded. The welding wire scraper, together with the gasket, will roughly remove the part above the floor level. Go to the gasket, then use a wire scraper to apply to the surface of the floor to remove and smooth out the excess wire.